Welcome to Get Your FRQ On. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to graph transformations of quadratic functions. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to our function editor, which on this calculator is over here under y equals. And then the very first function that I'm going to put in, I'm just going to type in a typical quadratic parent function x squared. And then under y2, that's where I'm going to define different transformations of this function. And the reason I'm doing it this way is now I can refer to y1 as a function called to the parent function. So let's say I wanted to reflect this over the x-axis, perform a vertical stretch of 2, and then also translate it 3 units to the right. And let's go 4 units up. All right, so the negative sign here refers to the reflection over the x-axis. 2 is a vertical stretch of 2. The minus 3 is a translation 3 units to the right. And then the plus 4 is a translation 4 units up. And when I go to graph this, my parent function will show up. It'll show up in blue. And then the red function will be this new transformed function. And we'll be able to visually verify that all of the transformations we planned have in fact happened. So there's my parent function. My new function has been translated 3 units to the right. It's upside down. There's a reflection in the x-axis. It's been translated 4 units up, and notice that it is stretched vertically. It's not quite as wide in certain places. Although I don't like using wide when talking about vertical stretches. Wide is a horizontal term, and it's a vertical stretch. It'd be nice if we had a nice, easily understandable word to describe that. Unfortunately, a lot of times it just ends up being described as, oh, it's narrower. It's not really narrower. That's not a good word to describe it, but we can verify that we did, in fact, get the graph that we anticipated here.